So yeah, you're broke like me, you don't want Discord Nitro, or you just hate Discord and you don't want to pay for it. Well, I'm going to show you how to use emojis for free. Anyways, to start off, you need to download Better Discord. Now, Better Discord is against Discord's terms of service, yada, yada, yada. You can get banned if you're an idiot and DM Discord a screenshot of you running Better Discord. Basically, don't be an idiot and you won't get banned. Anyways, go to the first link in the description and click on the big download button here, and then go to the second link in the description and click on the download button here. Now, once you do that, go into your downloads and you need to double click on the Better Discord Windows application installer doohickety-doo thing. Click I accept the license agreement, press next, click on install Better Discord, click next, click on the Discord version that pops up for you. Most of you will probably just click on Discord. Just click on that one and click install. Then once it's done, it will restart your Discord, and once it restarts, it may pop up with a massive window saying Better Discord. But if it doesn't, you want to make sure that you have Better Discord by going into your user settings. Then on the left towards the bottom, you will see a Better Discord section. If you see that, you did it. If you don't see that, join my Discord server and I'll help you out. Anyways, click on the plugin setting and click open plugins folder, and it will open up a folder behind Discord. So you need to minimize Discord and you will see plugins. You need to go into your downloads and you need to drag the plugin that you downloaded into the plugins folder. And once you do that, if you open up Discord, you will notice that you now have Discord free emojis. Just enable it. So to use Discord free emojis, all you need to do is just use emojis like normal. So go into any server, click on the emojis button, click on a super cool Fortnite emoji that you want. I like the slow clap. Click on that, press enter, and now you have a GIF of the emoji. Now, mind you, there are a couple of cons. First off, it's a GIF, and if people have their accessibility settings on that make it so that GIFs do not autoplay, then your emoji doesn't look that good. But if they do have it on, it looks fantastic. By default, it's on. So this is how most emojis will look. So you can do this with literally any emoji. Which Fortnite emoji do you like the most? I like this animated one. That one's cool. Oh, crazy. Now, while the pros of this application are massive, there is one con. You cannot react to a message using a Discord Nitro emote. If I try using an animated thing, it'll pop up, but then it'll disappear. Discord's like, not in my house, boy. So you unfortunately won't be able to use reactions. But you will be able to use these emotes, which I think is cool enough because, man, I love Fortnite. Kill me. And that wraps up the installation portion of the video. If it worked, like and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel even further, just turn off your ad blocker when you watch my videos. And if for some odd reason it didn't work out for you, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section or join my Discord and put your issue in the help channel, and I will help you out as soon as I can. Now let's get on to the uninstall portion of the video. I'm going to show you how to uninstall this. So all you need to do is first make sure you have the Better Discord installer closed, then go into your downloads and you need to open up the Better Discord installer, and you can minimize Discord, it really doesn't matter. But the main thing you want to do is open it up, accept the license agreement that I've actually never read despite however many videos I made on it, click the uninstall Better Discord button, then click next, click on the version that you installed Better Discord to, then click uninstall, then click close, and Discord will restart, and look, it's just back to normal. If I go on my test server and I try putting in a super cool emote, no, I can't use it anymore. No, I lost all my features. That's what uninstalling does. It removes the feature that you added. Anyways, I'm going to go play Nerf or nothing, and I'm going to see if I can bounce a dart off the wall and get it right into my eyeball. See you later. Mwah.